Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, then let me introduce myself. This is Qazi Omid Hassan and I'm a PhD student at Queen's University, Canada. In this video, I'm going to share a little bit of advice sort of thing. As you guys all know that I was recently got promoted to doctoral program, which is known as PhD, without completing my master's. So as I consider this as a significant achievement of my life, so I wanted to reward myself based on that. In my philosophy, I believe that you should reward yourself if you got a significant achievement in your life. So, that being said, I was trying to get something that can help me in terms of note taking. So, let's just a little bit of recap about my life is that since my childhood, I was a person who used to take a lot of notes. Like the way I memorize thing is that I usually read from a book or paper and I write that thing down. So in this way, I'm able to get more information from that book and memorize that really quickly. So, after moving into Canada, I was facing a lot of difficulty on adapting in the new papers and new pencil sizes. So I was not really satisfied with the writing experience. So by that time, I was really sure that I would get an like note-taking tool whenever I got money or whenever I achieve something that is significant to me. So that being said, after being promoted to PhD, I decided to go for that. While selecting the best note-taking tool, I found two options that can be really satisfy my requirements. One is the iPad Air 5th generation with the M1 chip, and second one is the Remarkable 2. So I compared those two tools side by side and found that the iPad would be more like practical for me because it can easily sync with the Google Drive as well as I can consume some media if I wanted. So I decided to go with the iPad and the Apple Pencil for taking the notes. So at this point, like I have decided that I will go to the iPad Air and the Apple Pencil. I have to find the best deal. In order to find the best deal, I roamed around the internet, and that the base model of iPad Air was around $799, I guess. But that was really too much for me. I was searching for some discounts. So while searching for the discounts, I came across about the Apple educational pricing. And this educational pricing is especially applicable for students who are currently in schools or universities or got some admissions in schools or universities across USA and Canada. So as I have already satisfying all those requirements, so I had a chat with the Apple customer care and just verified the information. And they told me that yes, you can easily avail those discounts if you are a valid student in Canada or USA. And you need to have your official student ID card, your official offer letter, or any other official document that can prove that you are a student of that country or the university. So, I already have all those documents and all the information along with me. So, I was clearly eligible for availing that discount. So, I thought that I can share that information with you guys so that you guys can easily avail those really good discounts if you are a student in a university or a school in USA or Canada. So in the later part of this video, I'm going to share about the pricing and how you can search for the discounts in the Apple official website. So without any further delay, let's jump into that part. So right now we are in our Google Chrome browser, and as you guys can see that I searched on Google about Apple education pricing and I got some links. If I go into the second link, which is not sponsored, so this will take me into a link that will say that Apple for Higher Education Individuals Store Home. So that's a separate link apart from the official website, and it mentions that you can save on a new Mac or iPad with Apple educational pricing, and this pricing is only available to current and newly accepted university students as well as for their parents, faculty and staffs and others. So before proceeding, I want to mention a few things about this educational pricing is that this is only available for Macs and iPads, not for iPhones or Apple Watches or any other Apple stuffs. So, but as per my opinion, like MacBooks and iPads are something that's gonna help you really significantly in your academic journey. So this educational pricing is totally justified. So let's check the pricing, the basically the educational pricing. As you can see that the newest MacBook Air that comes with the M1 chip is starting from 1169. You can check the base price from the official website. I'm sure that's gonna be much more higher than that. And in terms of iPad, the iPad Pro will be starting for 1029 with the base model, and the iPad Air will be starting for 729. Well, I have ordered this iPad Air for myself, and the base price of the iPad Air in the official website was 799. So I am getting around $70 discount on that educational pricing, and I think this $70 is really a lot for a student. And apart from that, I'm also getting $10 discount on the Apple Pencil second generation. So I think I'm getting near around $80 discount on the overall package, and that's really something that is significant amount of money, I think. And you can also check other iPads like the iPad 10 generation, the 9 generation, and iPad mini. But according to my requirements, I found that iPad Air is something that satisfies everything and that is within my budget. So I decided to go with that. And another thing is that Apple Pencil second generation is a must-have item for me. So any other iPad like the iPad 9 generation and 10 generation is not supported by Apple Pencil generation second generation. So I had to go with the iPad Air. So well, yeah, this is everything about the Apple educational discount. I hope this video will help you guys in terms of buying your new Apple MacBook or iPad with your educational discount. And well, yeah, that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, you can consider subscribing my channel and hit a thumbs up in this video. So see you soon. Have a good day.